Hello, I'm Paul. This is Nam Kundalini School, and welcome to day one of the 5-day Raising the Vibration Challenge. It's going to be fast, it's going to be expansive, it's going to be high energy, continuing from the 7-day journey through the chakras. So we're really going to draw that energy, continuing that vibrational journey, continuing that expansion of the energy throughout the physical body, the aura, the magnetic field, the energy bodies. It's going to be fast, it's going to be high intensity and high energy. We're going to be practicing 6 Kriyas, starting at Muladhara Chakra and working his way up to Ajna Chakra. 6 1-minute Kriyas, fast, high intensity, high energizing to raise that vibration. So let's sit nice and tall, softly close the eyes. Press down through the sitting bones, lengthen the spine, sit tall through the crown of the head, slightly tuck the chin. Just going to take a quick moment to feel into the body. Let's inhale deeply together. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release. I invite you to softly open the eyes. We're going to move on to the first Kriya. We're going to be working with Muladhara Chakra. We're going to be lifting the sitting bones off of the mat and then releasing back down for 1 minute, keeping the eyes closed, attention up to Ajna Chakra while still focusing down at Muladhara Chakra. So let's sit nice and tall, bring the hands to the side of the body, and let's start the practice. Let's release the sitting bones down to the mat. Inhale deeply. Suspend the breath, keep the eyes closed, squeeze Mula Bandha, contracting the genitals, anus, and imagine the energy flowing up the spine as we press down into Mother Earth with Muladhara Chakra. Exhale, release the breath. Softly coming back, we're going to move on to the second Kriya, working with Svadhisthana Chakra, the element of water. So you're going to sit nice and tall, keep the head as a natural extension of the spine. We're going to inhale, open, exhale, close, so that seated cat-cow, working from the pelvis, tilting the hips. Let's start the practice. Let's inhale deeply, suspend the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, again contracting the genitals, the anus, trapping the energy in, and imagine it flowing up the spine, over the crown of the head into Ajna Chakra. exhale, release the breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. Softly coming back. We're going to make our way onto our backs. We're going to draw the knees into the chest. Really contracting with Manipura chakra, so the navel center. Really drawing the knees in. We're going to be doing a rock and roll motion. I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So let's grab the shins, sit up nice and tall, and we'll do this rock and roll motion for 1 minute, really drawing in on Manipura chakra, the element of fire, and massaging the whole Sushumna Nadi, the central nervous system. Let's start the practice. Really pressing each vertebrae into the mat, softly massaging the Sushumna Nadi. And then we'll come up and we'll sit nice and tall, keeping the hands on the shins. Let's inhale deeply. Squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals, the anus, locking the energy inside. Imagine it flowing up the spine. And exhale, release. Come back into a cross-legged seated position. Just take a moment to feel into the body. It's eye energizing, raising the vibration throughout the body, the physical body, the energy bodies. Softly coming back. We're moving up to Anahata chakra now, the element of air. We're going to have the back of the left hand facing towards the heart center, the palm facing away. We're going to interlace the fingers. Inhale the left elbow up, exhale the right elbow up. We're going to do that for 1 minute. Let's sit nice and tall. Let's start the practice. Come to the center, inhale deeply, squeeze Mula Bandha, imagine the energy flowing up the spine. And exhale, release the hands down, palms facing up, relax the shoulders, relax the breath, relax Mula Bandha. Softly coming back, we're going to place the hands on the knees. We're moving up to Vishuddha chakra, so the element of air and space as we start to sublimate the energy up towards Ajna chakra. We're going to have the hands on the knees, sit nice and tall, slightly draw the shoulder blades together, open the chest, slightly tuck the chin, just to create that length within the spine. We're going to inhale the shoulders up, exhale, release the shoulders down. Again, we'll do that for 1 minute. Let's start the practice. Inhale the shoulders up towards the ears. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Imagine the energy flowing up the spine towards Ajna Chakra. Exhale, release the shoulders down and away from the ears. Release Mula Bandha, release the breath. Come back to normal breath. Softly coming back. Let's make us way into a kneeling position for our last and final Kriya of this expansive, energizing, raising the vibration sequence. We're going to interlace the fingers, point the index fingers. We're going to have the fingers towards the sky. We'll have the eyes closed and attention up to the third eye in Shambhari Mudra. We're going to inhale or pull the navel in towards the spine and say Sat. And as we release the navel, we're going to say Nam. A quick demonstration. Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. We'll do that for 1 minute. So, let's start the practice. Sat, Nam, 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 Sat, Nam. Inhale deeply. Retain the breath. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Imagine that energy flowing all the way up the spine to Ajna Chakra, the third eye. Exhale, release the hands, swooping the energy, the magnetic field around the body. Cleansing, purifying and detoxifying. I invite you to come back into a cross-legged seated position. Keeping the eyes closed, attention inside. Bring the palms to face the sky in an act of giving and receiving. Press down through the sitting bones, lift up through the crown of the head. Feel that expansive and energizing practice flowing throughout the body. Bringing more balance into the systems. The purifying and detoxifying of the energy channels. And softly coming back, I invite you to draw the hands to prayer in front of the heart center and open the eyes. Thank you for joining me in day 1 of this 5-day Raising the Vibration Challenge. It was incredible for me. I hope it was incredible for you. As always, Sat Nam.